Hello, crypto world. Jay Sherm here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 10 altcoins to look out for that you could invest in. I can't not say Dogecoin. So number 10 is going to be Dogecoin because it's the fun currency. It's cheap. It's not hard to buy a couple of them. It's called the fun and friendly internet currency. It started out as a meme, and then eventually people started using it. It's a very easy and fast way to send money to other people on the internet. It's very simple to use. And when Bitcoin and a lot of other networks are slow and expensive, Dogecoin comes in for the rescue. So number 10 is Dogecoin. Number 9, I'm going to say Uniswap. It's the new craze in DeFi or decentralized finance. And it's still relatively good price. I mean, you never know where it's going to go. It definitely fluctuates, so you want to watch that. And it's how you could swap coins. So if you go to Uniswap, you can swap, say, 2 Ethereum for, any other coin that you want. And you don't have to go through an exchange. It's very simple. You can also pool your tokens if you want to add liquidity, and you can earn a percentage fee on all the trades. So definitely look for Uniswap in the future. It's something that's growing, and people are now using wrapped Bitcoin, which is my number 8 coin. And this is a way to use your Bitcoin, but without actually using it. You basically put it up as a token to back it it's a 1-to-1 ratio with Bitcoin, and you're able to use it in this DeFi craze. You can actually use your Bitcoin without actually using it because Ethereum is what runs the DeFi craze. The number 8, my number 7 coin is I'm going to go with VeChain, VET. It's relatively low price, which means you can scoop them up real cheap. It's a nice supply, which I like. It's got a decent volume on a daily basis, and it's run by these master nodes, which are people just like you and me who are running these nodes, and it's all smart contracts, and a lot of academia and businesses are using VeChain. If you go through the website and check out what they do, it's a ton of stuff, and it's the public blockchain. So I kind of like VeChain. I think it has a lot of room for growth. My number 6 coin, I'm going to go with BAT, Basic Attention Token. If you haven't heard of BAT, look it up. It is really awesome because it's for digital advertising. It's like the crypto for digital advertising. Still pretty relatively low priced. It has some room for growth. The circulating supply is pretty close to the total supply, so I like that too. Volume's always really good and healthy. It's the blockchain-based digital advertising that's on the website here. And if you've never heard of Brave, the browser, you can actually earn Brave in the browser when you use it. It's a very encrypted, anonymous. It blocks pop-up ads. I really like BAT. I use Brave. So definitely look into that token as well. My number 5 coin, I'm going to go with Crypto.com. Disclaimer, I use Crypto.com. I love the app. I'm actually earning a percentage through Crypto.com by holding crypto in that app. Again, it's a relatively low-priced coin. It has a pretty big supply. As you see, it recently has gone up in value quite a bit. If you go to their website, again, it's the next generation public blockchain. Everybody says that, but this one actually has a lot of cool features in the wallet. So I'd say if you're going to do it, the reason why you'd want to use the crypto coin is because in order to use the wallet, you need the coins to stake your coins in order to earn a percentage. And speaking of using a coin in an exchange or whatnot, I can't go through this video without saying number 4, Binance Coin. Binance Coin is run by the Binance exchange, and it's what you use to pay for your trades. So I definitely say you have to use Binance Coin. You should buy Binance Coin because it can only go up in value in the future. Again, at your own risk and do your research, but Binance Coin is a pretty good safe bet to buy because you do have to use it if you're going to trade on Binance. So it's not a bad idea. My number 3 choice, one of my personal favorites, Sire Prime, SCP. Relatively cheap price. Once again, you can scoop them up pretty low. It has a good circulating supply, good volume. What I like about SCP is it is a cloud storage distributed company. So what that means is you're holding your data, you're holding your files, you're hosting them on other people's computers all around the world. It's split up into metadata. It's encrypted. It's immutable. I mean, it's just fantastic. It's such a great company. It looks like they're just about to hit block 100,000 and 1 petabyte of network capacity. That's huge. They do have Days of Prime coming up now, so it's a whole bunch of announcements. They're listed on a bunch of exchanges, so you should definitely look into this company. You download their wallet, buy some of the coins, check out what they do, become a host, become a renter. It's very easy to do. There's a huge community backing this company, so I highly recommend at least looking at it. My number 2 slot, of course, Ethereum. Ethereum is the backbone to DeFi. It's the backbone to ERC20 tokens. It's global. It's open source. People are building dApps or decentralized applications on Ethereum. It's the second largest market cap underneath Bitcoin. So it's number 2. And so if you're going to be holding Bitcoin, you should, of course, look into Ethereum as well. And my number 1 spot in the video is co-vesting, COV. It has a low price once again. The total supply and circulating supply really close, so there's a lot of room for growth here because it's a limited supply. So that right there makes it scarce. And from what I understood, the research I've done is 50% of the token supply is actually held by long-term holders, according to Etherscans. I checked them out. And what I like about the company is a long time ago, I came up with an idea called Cray Traders, where you could spectate cryptocurrency experts and follow their trades, right? And ironically, co-vesting has partnered with Prime XBT, which is discover a smarter way to trade. Choose among the performing traders and automatically copy their trading activity. So it just reminds me of the idea I had like years ago that I never built. And as soon as I saw that, I'm like, bingo. I like co-vesting because it has an idea that I wanted to build. So right there, it's great. The market cap is low, so it has a lot of potential. The company itself is very trustworthy. They have, a license. They're licensed, of course, which is important. They have a strong, supportive community. If you check out their website, you see what they do. So they're backing the trading software business, which to me is very important. They have a lot of security. Their support is fantastic. One thing about the price that I noticed too is it recently had a little spike. So as you see, the price has kind of plateaued, which a lot of coins did during the boom that we had, right, in 2018. But as you see, there's a spike here. So I feel like there might be a liftoff in the future. So it might be a good time to look into this price. It's not bad. It's not a bad price. You can trade it on KuCoin. So if you go to KuCoin.com and you'll see COVBTC, you can trade it here. Again, there was a nice rise and a dip. So, what they say, BTFD, buy the effing dip, right? So you could potentially do well here. And so I say, look into co-vesting. They do regular token burns, which is another important factor, is token burns, because when you burn tokens, then the value goes up. And of course, I like the fact that they're on Prime XBT. So definitely look into using Prime XBT. I'm going to put a code in the description of this video for you to get 35% off. So if you click on the link, you'll be able to get a discount for trading. And then you can start following traders and earning, a passive income from trading with them. So that's it for my top 10 coins. Hope you learned something about the different coins. Hope you invest carefully. Remember, do your research. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion on what I think the best coins are, or fun coins or interesting coins to invest in, or at least do your research and look at. And I'll see you on the next video.